My name is Olivia Phillips, and I'm a junior here at Georgia State, and I'm a marketing major. For this assignment, I will be demonstrating how to use the sum product function. I'm going to start off with my equal sign to let Excel know that I'm ready to start the function, and then I'm going to click C2 to begin. I'm going to use my multiplication sign. I'm going to use my other value, my equal sign, and then there we go. That's that first product. That green box is the fill handle. I'm going to click that and drag it all the way down. Perfect. And then I'm going to come to the other side, do the exact same formula, just the different values for overtime. And then I'm going to drag that down. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to move on. And this is going to be that sort function. I'm going to collect everything in my data table. I started off with A1, clicking shift, and then the right arrow all the way over, and then the down arrow all the way over. I hit that sort function, and then I'm clicking on week, and then smallest to largest is already checked. I'm adding one more, and that one is going to be overtime hours. I have that, and that's going to be largest to smallest. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then it automatically shifted, and you can see the adjustment that that sort function made. Okay, so for this second part, I'm going to go into doing sum product, and this is just going to tell Excel to add everything up. I'm typing in sum product, and then I'm doing my parentheses. And I'm starting off with that B2 because that's the first week, and then I'm going to do that B25. And that's all those weeks together. Excel will need that to do the rest of the functions for the following weeks. And while I'm doing this, I am adding dollar signs between each kind of value. That's just gonna lock the range. So even if I copy the formula down, Excel always looks at row 2 through 25 in column B, and that's important because that's the weeks we're going to use. You're going to see that I did an equal sign and then 1. Equal 1 means equals week 1, and then further on you'll see me as I do my drop down. I go back and I edit week 1 to be week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, all the way to week 8. And you'll see that in just a second. Yep, fill handle drops down. And I'm just counting, making sure I'm just doing 8. Yes, and then that's all those values. I'm going back and editing week 2, so on and so forth. Okay, I'm doing the exact same thing on this side. I'm only doing overtime though. That was the difference. Instead of doing regular, this is now just overtime. The exact same method we used for the first round of sum product. Now that sum product is all done, I'm going to add a filter. Yep, that's in the data filter. It's just going to add it to J. And then I'm going to hit that down arrow, scroll down, and hit blanks. That just sectioned off all of that extra information to just what we needed. And then I highlighted all of that so I can do my stack chart. That's found in insert. Scroll down a little bit. There it goes. I'm going to move that to the side. And then I'm just going to retitle it payroll by week so we know what our chart is representing. And alrighty.